If you've ever stood in your kitchen staring at a carton of eggs, wondering exactly how many you can safely eat every single day, you are not alone. The advice is entirely contradictory. Some say 1, some say 0, and others eat 6 a day and thrive. To understand why one of the simplest foods on earth is surrounded by so much fear, we have to look back at the dietary clinical studies conducted throughout the 1960s, 70s, and 80s. The methodology in those early studies was deeply flawed. Researchers failed to isolate the egg as an independent variable. Instead, they logged the entire breakfast plate and labeled it simply as an egg meal. The egg was convicted through guilt by association. It took the blame for the metabolic damage actually caused by the processed bacon, heavy pancakes, and the refined vegetable oils used to cook the food. Today's highly controlled nutritional research separates those variables. By isolating the egg itself, the data reveals it is one of the most nutrient-dense, metabolically supportive foods we can consume. Millions of people still avoid a highly bioavailable protein source based entirely on obsolete methodology. To correct this, we have to look directly at modern biology. Finding a truly healthy egg starts at the grocery store, which requires navigating a wall of highly deceptive marketing labels. Take cage-free, for example. Legally, this only dictates that the hens are not confined to tiny wire cages. They can still be packed shoulder to shoulder inside massive windowless barns without ever seeing sunlight. Then there's vegetarian-fed. Chickens are not natural vegetarians. They are omnivores that biologically require a diet of bugs, insects, and worms to produce healthy eggs, not just cheap, subsidized soy and corn. The gold standard you want to look for is pasture-raised plus organic. This ensures the hens roam freely on grass and consume their biologically appropriate natural diet. This chart shows the internal structure of a true pasture-raised yolk. Because of that natural diet, it delivers a massive, highly bioavailable payload of brain-supporting choline, eye-protecting antioxidants, and fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. A pasture-raised egg is biologically an entirely different, superior food compared to conventional alternatives. Even with proper sourcing, the core consumer fear remains dietary cholesterol. This is the exact compound that kept eggs wrongfully convicted for decades. The human liver operates as an internal cholesterol factory, producing roughly 3,000 milligrams every day. It operates on a strict feedback loop. When you consume dietary cholesterol from an egg, your liver downregulates its own production, keeping blood levels perfectly stable. Modern research focuses instead on how sugar and refined carbohydrates interact with our blood vessels. These substances trigger systemic inflammation, creating microscopic damage in the arterial walls that the body is then forced to repair. This is the actual role of cholesterol. It is a critical repair molecule, essential for building cell membranes, synthesizing vitamin D, and patching those very inflammatory lesions in the arteries. Blaming dietary cholesterol for arterial damage is exactly like blaming the emergency firefighters for the fire they are actively trying to put out. But there is a catch. Even the most expensive pasture-raised egg can become metabolically harmful if it is prepared incorrectly. Utilizing high heat and industrial vegetable oils severely damages the delicate fats inside the yolk, chemically oxidizing the cholesterol before it ever reaches your plate. To protect those nutrients, eggs must be cooked gently on low heat, using stable, healthy fats like real butter or olive oil to maintain a soft, golden yolk. Extracting the biological benefits of an egg requires preserving its delicate molecular structure. This chart breaks down recommended daily intake by demographic. For the general healthy adult, 2 to 3 eggs daily is the perfectly safe, beneficial sweet spot. For athletes and highly active individuals, the daily target pushes to 3 to 6 eggs. This provides bioavailable protein to support rapid muscle repair. Moving to older adults facing sarcopenia, 2 to 3 eggs daily offer an easily digestible protein strategy to retain physical strength. For individuals managing insulin resistance, 2 to 3 eggs act as a stabilizing force, delivering dense nutrition with virtually zero blood sugar spiking carbohydrates. There are extreme edge cases, like individuals in keto communities who eat 6 to 10 eggs daily and thrive.
Their specific biological context allows for this because their diet has completely eliminated the actual metabolic drivers, sugar and seed oils. There are strict medical exceptions. Anyone with a confirmed egg allergy or a rare genetic lipid disorder, like familial hypercholesterolemia, requires a personalized plan from a doctor. When sourced properly and prepared gently, the egg provides the precise nutrient profile and metabolic stability required for long-term health.